And Heidi, let me start with you. What are you hearing on the ground there in Watertown about this new guidance that we're just learning about in the last few minutes?
Well, it's a big deal, Craig. Look, a lot of the schools that I've talked to here and across the nation have said one of the biggest challenges they have in reopening is that they don't have that 6 feet of distancing. So I just got off the phone with the school's commissioner here. He said a number of districts that were doing 6 feet are already moving to try and do the 3 feet rule, trying to break agreements with these teachers unions, which had agreed in a number of districts to the 6 foot rule. This is not, however, without controversy. Craig, I also talked with the head of the teachers union here, and she told me, look, we have these agreements in place, and these studies that you're looking at, they're assuming perfect mitigation measures. For instance, 100% universal masking, even though we know in some high schools, for instance, there's been problems with that. But at the heart of it, Craig, the big issue, the big contention here is that these studies are not saying that there is no risk difference. They're simply saying that they couldn't pinpoint the statistical difference in the risk. And these teachers unions are saying they believe that we are just deciding based on all of this other evidence that's coming in about the deleterious effects on children and families of having to do school in lockdown to simply assume more risk. Their ask, they say, is really quite simple. They just want to be vaccinated. The teachers union officials here told me many of these teachers are not vaccinated as numbers are going up to the highest levels we've seen since last February in terms of community spread, and that the teachers here were not prioritized the way that they were in other states. So that is their message, is that they simply want the vaccine and then they're happy to negotiate about this 3 foot rule. But again, we have these more contagious, potentially more harmful variants coming. And we know even if COVID is less harmful to younger kids, they certainly can be asymptomatic vectors, Craig.
Yeah, and you mentioned some of the conversations that you've been having there in Watertown. Let's listen to some of what folks told you there, Heidi.
What we really are, what unions have been advocating for an entire year is to make sure that we win every single CDC recommendation to keep our students and their families and our educators as safe as possible. So we're going to have to now figure out, in the light of reducing the distance, how to ensure we're still keeping everybody safe.
All right, so again, the Heidi Presbala there with the head of the teachers union.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.